Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Next up, camping. Next up, we're going to be camping in Gulf Shores, Alabama, Gulf State Park, and we look forward to it. That's in May. We may get a local camping trip here somewhere close in between, but we have had our camper for a little over a year. Well, November was a year, so almost a year and a half, and we've yet to make a video about the camper. And I'm sure you've seen bits and pieces of it in videos that we've made, but today we're going to show you a little bit. Now, we're not going to get in depth with a whole bunch of numbers and show you the pass through and all that on the storage bays. You can get those kind of videos all over YouTube. We're just going to give you our views of this camper and our honest opinion of it. And there goes some more traffic. Never fails when I hit record. People start driving by. But let's do it. It has a GVWR of 11,525 pounds and a dry weight of just over 8,300 pounds. This is a bunk house unit and sleeps our family of 5 very comfortably. Our 287 BH comes equipped with a rear rack, the rear ladder, 2 ACs, the fireplace, and the solar juice pack. Alright guys, coming in the door here, directly to the left is the pantry. And this unit has a big pantry for the size camper that it is. This camper is only 35 feet long, about 8,300 pounds dry. Alright, this unit does come with a pull-out sofa. It's not too bad. Our 9-year-old sleeps on that a lot and she says it's comfortable. I would much rather have the 2 recliners, but since we have the sofa, we do have a couple ottomans there so we can prop our feet up. Right here you got some hanging storage. We really don't use that. And over here you've got storage up top. TV hookups and the fireplace. This unit did not come with a TV. You can opt for it, but honestly you're better off just buying the TV yourself because you can get them much cheaper that way. We do have a 12-volt fridge. It's a nice size fridge. It's bigger than the one we had in our travel trailer, and we almost have everything emptied out from our last camping trip a couple weeks ago. But this is a 12-volt unit. It does not run off propane, which has its advantages and disadvantages. We do have an oven, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, and it is vented through this hood on the outside. So it does have a U-shaped dinette that will also make a bed. Now this slide is not all the way out. Not able to let it all the way out because of where the camper's parked. So you've got another probably 6 inches or so that slide will actually go out. So it opens up quite nice. It's a lot of room. In our old camper we were squeezing by each other just to get from one end to the other, and you don't have that problem in this unit. Now this unit is the bunk house, so back here is the bunk room, and those are full-size bunks up here. They're not the twin bunks. So that's where our 2 teenagers sleep. A lot of times they don't go with us, so this ends up being storage for cornhole boards, pillows, just whatever you want to throw back here. And you do have hanging storage back here, which is quite nice when everybody does go. When all 5 of us are camping, there's plenty of room for the clothes, so you can hang some up and fold some clothes there. Alright, this is the view coming out of the bunk room into the living area. Like I said, this slide is not all the way out. That's why it looks so narrow there. So you do normally have more room than that to get out of the bunk room. Heading this way, we have upstairs, we have the bathroom. Well, before that, we'll go right here. You've got all your controls here. One control So at the touch of a button, you can access everything from leveling, lights, awnings, slides. Everything can be done right there. And you also have everything right here with the old style buttons there. This unit does have 2 air conditioners. It came with 1. We opted for 2, so it did come from the dealer with 2. Both of them are the Coleman Mach 1 air conditioners. And so you got your thermostat right here for the living area, and we'll have another one in the bedroom. All right, the bathroom. Look at all the storage you've got back here. This is where we store all our towels, but you got a lot of storage here. I wanted a porcelain toilet and I got one. This unit does come with a porcelain toilet. Nice size shower. Not crazy about the door here. It's one of those that squeegees the water out when you open the door back up. It's okay. I imagine one day when that does finally give out, we'll probably put a curtain. I did go with a different shower head. The shower head that came with it didn't last very long at all. So we went with the, I believe that's an Oxygenics shower head. So that does really well. And like any other camper, you've got your medicine cabinet there, sink, and some storage up under the sink. So not a bad bathroom. Guys, leaving the bathroom, headed to the front bedroom. This is the queen size bed that comes with this unit. It is a residential queen size. It's not the short queen or the camper queen as they call it. Now this is not the mattress that came with the camper. We opted to upgrade that pretty soon after getting the camper. The mattress that came with the camper was, well, you know how they are. They're pretty much junk. So we got rid of that, got a good mattress that we sleep well on. You've got storage on both sides up top as well as the bottom. You've got drawers and USB and 110 plugs right there on each side of the bed. And then you've got hanging storage right here. You can see that or not. So you got plenty of hanging storage there, and then up top you've got the bracket for the TV and the hookups there, which we have not hooked a TV up in this unit. Up top we've got our Coleman air conditioner, and then you've got a thermostat on the wall here, and we really like that. Our travel trailer only had 1 AC, and we really struggled to stay cool, especially in the summers down here in Mississippi. So it's quite hot and muggy, and it really helps to have 2 air conditioner units inside your camper. So that's pretty much it. Alright guys, that about wraps it up for today. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We look forward to bringing you more videos from campgrounds here in the near future. Thanks guys.